Well, good afternoon, people. So I say, good day. Well, this is famous, yes, live in living colors I represent it for, you see me? For the poor people, you understand that? For the progressive people, you see what I say? Well, my advice to Jamaican, the government of Jamaica, you need to start take great interest in the youth of Jamaica. Yeah? Especially youth them who go to school. Yeah? The government of Jamaica, I'm saying to you, on the need to have a police car park up at every school gate. A police car for park up at every school gate to sit that the youth them are do the right thing. You understand me? On the need to recruit some more police. You know what I'm saying? Some police where can stand up at the school gate when school over. The youth them can reach home safe. You understand me? And the parents them of Jamaica on the need to give the youth them a phone. One can get in contact with them. When you know school time over, you call them, Angela, Patrick, you're alright, you jump in at the bus, or whatsoever. If you can't, you found when I go down 7 days a week, I want to spend on the most hairstyle. See, I want to come to the youth, I want to deal with the youth them like rubbish, but I can't bother, I can't this and I can't that. The government of Jamaica, we don't need for do. We need to start lock up some of them parents. Yeah. Build a home where the youth them can say, alright then. If the parents them nah deal with the youth them right, they're gonna put in away now. And take with the youth them and put them in a home where only can finance the youth them be. You understand me? Look there, be a killing me I say I go on to Jamaica. Yeah? Every minute a man rise and say I'm a bad man and I'm a this and that. Check the youth them all go school with gun in them bag, knife, ice pick and all these things be. It don't look good. See, the youth them need to check out entirely. See, the government of Jamaica wanna need to have some people who go to home them and I say that the youth them I do the right thing and the mother them, the parent them, I do the right thing. Some man I breed up the pitney them, breed up the youth them. See, breed up the youth them and no responsibility for them. See, you know how much homeless kids out there. Eh? Government of Jamaica, the youth them they up on the road, but them a white car glass. You think that can go on in America? Eh? The loose ball thing, you would stand up at stoplight, but them a try wipe car glass, we get $1. Jamaica, we need to take a stand. Clear up the streets. Say the youth them now go school. Remember, school time is school time. We're not supposed to have no little waste ball picnic on the road. But them a white car glass, which part them come from. Some of them come from big garrison and hear them a talk about, oh, we not go them just too much this and too much that. You know what I need for them? Bring out the police and the soldier them. Go for the soldier them because them now do nothing up a camp mobile. See? Them up there sit down on them IRC, some of them. See? Put them on the street. You understand me? See? When I talk about state of emergency, it can't work. So state of emergency don't do nothing because when you hear one thing go on, that's the next thing go on. So it need to spread out. See? The security force and the JFD need to spread out that. You see me? Make sure every soldier and a police there at every school gate. If the youth them are member, the teachers them of Jamaica, wanna listen to me. You say if you have 24 kids in our class, if one kid don't come to school today, you're supposed to have the number for that parent, for call that parents and say, listen to me, how that kid don't come to school. What is the reason? You understand me? And then we send a security at the yard for check out what really are going on at the yard. We can't live so Jamaica and left up the youth them like that, boss. See, enough for the police them want to sit down. I don't know if I want to do nothing. All I want to do drive police car go and run bar and do extortion on road but want to collect. Throw them on the block light to not take our money and one bag or something. Them things they for cut out. Too much hungry belly police there in Jamaica. Yeah, and when me attack this, me not talk off on a mouth talk be. See, and when me say go on. See, God bless some of the youth them will left Jamaica and come America. Because you know enough of them left Jamaica and come America. When you adjust on yourself and you know the system, you can't come up here and go out the back of arms house. Because it not gonna work America. See, if a youth will go school, America, and if him don't come school one day, remember, is either the teacher call you and ask the parent what really happened, or you see a police come pull up on your doorstep to find out how the kid them don't go to school today. We need some of that. We need to implement that. See, labor right around Jamaica. Desmond Mackenzie, we have time for you to run down the people them downtown, to take them off the road. You need for what? Run down the people them and ask them who not come to school today. What? Put some things in place. All you not think about is take in. All you not let out, I just take you not take in. Start when you need to take stand of them thing you be. That's why you have so much crime in Jamaica. You understand me? Enough of them man now. But some are bad man. You need to stand up now and say, what? Alright, I'm me around the place. Me a bad man and me around the place. I'm supposed to make the people them respect me and check for me in my community. While the youth them a go to school, no wrongs of you go in their community. See, help the police them fight crime job. See, and stop make the place a run loose. See, one of us start do some neighborhood watch. If a man broke out and say him a rape or him know say him a get out and call crime stop and make this thing here solve. See? Now for the man them on the on social media war, I don't know one of that it not gonna work. See? We need to start take interest in a war go on. Too much arms those things are go on. That now for only but I don't want to gunman, I don't want to buy a gun, I don't want shot full of gun. You know what need for go get a stall on the road and try to sell to a sweet yard or some biscuits, some crackers or something or some tin juice or something. To try finance and all. Stand up now, man. Stop turning the country into some war zone, dog. See? The government, them, the two party them, what's on around the place there. See? PMP and Labour, right? Wanna stop fight against one another and start come together and deal with the Jamaica like how it's supposed to be. Start the set up police, yeah. Check out the kids them are going.